Hello everybody, I'm introducing you to Condo Las Flores number 4. This is a one bedroom unit. It's you enter the unit and you have the dining room living area. This was fully remodeled, however they kept some of the furniture that was here before. And then you continue and you go to the kitchen area, which has a separation here, this wall. And it's stove, cabinets, sink. There's a fridge, more drawers, more cabinets over there. You have a window with some views. Let's continue the hall. And you have the bathroom with bathtub and shower. Then you go to the bedroom, master bedroom, only bedroom, which has a fairly large balcony with ocean views. This is the ocean views over here. This unit used to have more ocean views, but now Vallarta they're building all over, and so lose like 50% of the view. If you want more information on this property, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals. Look for Las Flores number 4. This unit is for sale and for rent. I will put the prices on the description, guys.